Learning English is a powerful way to gain knowledge and improve communication skills in today's global world. English is not just a language, it is a tool that connects people from different countries, cultures, and backgrounds. When a person starts learning English, they open the door to a wide range of opportunities, such as better education, career growth, and access to global information. Most of the content available on the internet, including books, articles, videos, and courses, is in English. By understanding English, a learner can explore this vast ocean of knowledge and stay updated with the latest trends, ideas, and innovations. Improving communication through English requires consistent practice and patience. At the beginning, learners may feel shy or afraid of making mistakes, but mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Speaking regularly, even with simple sentences, helps build confidence over time. Listening to English songs, watching movies, and following English-speaking content creators can improve listening skills and pronunciation. Reading books, newspapers, or even short stories enhances vocabulary and helps in understanding sentence structure. Writing daily, such as maintaining a journal or posting on social media in English, also strengthens language skills. Another important aspect of learning English is thinking in English. Many learners first think in their native language and then translate, which slows down communication. By practicing thinking directly in English, one can speak more fluently and naturally. It is also helpful to learn commonly used phrases and expressions instead of focusing only on grammar rules. While grammar is important, communication becomes effective when ideas are expressed clearly and confidently. English also plays a key role in personal development. It improves not only communication, but also personality. A person who can express thoughts clearly in English often appears more confident and knowledgeable. In professional life, English is often the preferred language for interviews, meetings, and presentations. Strong English communication skills can create a positive impression and increase chances of success. Moreover, learning English helps in building connections with people worldwide. It allows individuals to share ideas, learn from others, and understand different perspectives. This global interaction enhances knowledge and broadens thinking. In today's competitive world, having good English communication skills is no longer an option, but a necessity. In conclusion, learning English is a journey that requires dedication, practice, and a positive mindset. It not only helps in gaining knowledge, but also improves communication, confidence, and overall personality. With regular effort and the right approach, anyone can master English and unlock new opportunities for growth and success.